The new Multivan. It has made a true technological leap. First of all, the Multivan is based on components from the Modular Transverse Matrix. This opens up a broad spectrum of technical innovations. Here are just a few of them. Let's begin with the drive systems. The new Multivan comes with two petrol engines, a 1.5-litre TSI with 100 kilowatts and a 2-litre TSI with 150 kilowatts. Both are combined with an automatic 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox as standard and will be offered at launch. The TDI drive system will round out the offer at a later point in time. The e-hybrid is the highlight among the drive systems for the new Multivan, a plug-in hybrid with a system performance of 160 kilowatts and a powerful torque of 350 Newton-meters. This innovative drive concept is a combination of numerous individual components. The 1.4-litre TSI engine with 110 kilowatts is positioned parallel to the front axle, as is typical for the MQB. The DQ400E automatic gearbox works alongside the compact engine. It provides 6 speeds and also features an integrated electric motor with 85 kilowatts. Because the Multivan always starts in electric mode, it initially drives without local emissions, making it ideal for urban mobility. The TSI only switches on at speeds above 140 kilometers per hour, or when the battery's charge level requires it. The battery for the electric drive system can be charged via household sockets, wall boxes, or at charging stations. With its 13 kilowatt-hour capacity, the Multivan offers a practical electric range of around 50 kilometers, according to WLTP. With the combination of the electric drive system and the TSI, the plug-in hybrid effortlessly handles a total range of up to 700 kilometers, enabling it to master long journeys without many stops. The running gear was developed especially for the new Multivan. Its rear semi-trailing arm axle continues to contribute to maintaining a flat and low luggage compartment floor. The running gear integrates a variety of innovations that make key improvements, in particular to handling and comfort. For example, larger rubber metal bearings and new suspension strut mountings significantly enhance driving comfort. Both the track widths and the wheelbase have been increased, while the running gear geometry and steering have been optimized. As a result, the new Multivan offers the perfect driving dynamics for every loading and driving situation. Utilizing aluminium components has decreased the weight of the new axle system and the unsprung masses by 45 kilograms. This improves driving comfort as well as driving dynamics and also reduces fuel consumption. Lightweight design characterizes the new Multivan's body. It is now 8 kilograms lighter, despite the significantly higher crash safety and comfort standards. Its components made of hot-formed steel save weight. With a view to crash safety, these components have been primarily used in the passenger compartment. The combined aluminium-steel construction is a new approach for commercial vehicles. The front suspension turrets are made of aluminium. Although the large components require more energy to manufacture, life cycle analyses confirm that this energy investment already pays off after around 5 years of use, because the reduced weight saves energy when driving. Supported by computer simulations, the reinforcing elements in the body are used exactly where they improve the rigidity and thus the driving comfort. Intelligently designed braces on the connection points of the axles transfer less noise due to their improved insulation and also enhance the driving dynamics of the new Multivan. IQ Light is the name of our intelligent lighting system that independently detects the lighting relevant situation and automatically selects the right lighting. A total of 24 LEDs in each matrix headlight illuminate the area in front of the new Multivan. whether motorway function, dipped headlight or urban light, the IQ Light headlights identify the driving situation and switch modes automatically. The system even identifies complex lighting situations such as poor weather or cornering and adjusts the LEDs accordingly. There is no need to dip the IQ Light headlights for oncoming traffic or when vehicles are ahead. Thanks to their LED matrix architecture, they specifically and automatically mask these areas when the advanced main beam control is activated. We call the innovative driver assist systems IQ Drive. They significantly enhance both safety and comfort, up to and including partly automated driving. The new Multivan features a total of 25 systems. They support the driver with the longitudinal and lateral guidance of the vehicle. They inform, warn and act in the event of impending danger. And they support the driver with complex procedures when driving into and out of parking spaces. The Multivan includes the new oncoming vehicle braking when turning. It warns of oncoming vehicles when turning left. To do this, it uses the front radar. In an emergency, it even stops the vehicle. The exit warning system is another innovation and utilizes the rear radar. It detects when a vehicle or bicycle is approaching from the rear. If the door is unlocked in this moment, the system provides a visual and acoustic warning. IQ Drive Travel Assist is a complex assist system. It combines the lateral guidance of lane assist with the longitudinal guidance of the ACC. Using radar and camera data, it automatically keeps the vehicle in the lane and maintains the distance to the vehicles ahead. This means partly automated driving, up to 210 km per hour at the press of a button. The predictive ACC also utilizes the GPS position and map data to reduce speed in time, for example on short motorway exits. Using the manufacturer-independent Car-to-X communication, vehicles warn each other via WLAN-P. ACC Connected processes this Car-to-X information from its surroundings. For example, the system is capable of adapting the speed to the end of a traffic jam before it is even visible. Area View, as a surround view system, provides a 360-degree view of the surroundings around the new Multivan. It superimposes 4 camera images and shows these on the central display. This significantly simplifies maneuvering in tight spaces. The new Multivan. Welcome to a new world.